Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Santa Beer ability in Grow Garden game of Roblox Christmas Update Part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas Update Part 3 has been released in Grow Garden, and this is one of the pets from Christmas Update Part 3. And before I show you the ability of this pet guys, I'm going to show you how you can get this pet, the Santa Beer. To get this pet, you need to have the winter egg, and you can get the winter egg from here, from the event. Well, let me show you the rewards. Okay, you will get the winter egg after your Christmas tree weight is 7 kilogram. And I have already claimed the egg, and I got this Santa Beer. Okay, you will have 26% chance or ability to get this Santa Beer, and I'm going to place it in my garden, and let's see what this pet can do. Okay, every 9 minutes spawns a gift randomly somewhere, and finding the gift will grant a Christmas related reward. Okay, so it's like the marmot, I guess. For marmot, you need to find the burrow, and when you find the burrow, you will get reward. And I think you need to find the gift, and after that, you will get Christmas related reward. It works every 9 minutes. So when it spawns, you need to immediately search it guys, and it can be anywhere around the map. As soon as you get the notification, you need to immediately search for the gift, and it will give you a reward. Okay guys, and that's all about the Santa Beer and Grow a Garden game of Roblox Christmas Update Part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!